All right, guys, we're here today with
Chloe,
who has skateboarded a total in her life about
3 times.
3 times, and we actually wanted to do some very basic mini ramp, like beginner type instructional things. And we're doing that because of
Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7.
Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7, which does teach the mini ramp, is being released on January 20th. We're very excited about that because we haven't released a Skateboarding Made Simple volume in years, actually. At the beginning of 2018, I decided I really want to teach a lot of people how to skateboard this year. So I'm going to make a lot more Skateboarding Made Simple volumes, more instructional videos. We have the Braille University. We're teaching private lessons. We have like any way that you can think of to learn skateboarding, whether it be lessons or videos. We're doing it in abundance in 2018, which we're really excited about. So we're going to teach you to do some very introductory ramp tricks. Now, you can like learn how to skate ramp before you learn how to skate street, with the exception of you need to be comfortable on your board and spend a lot of time pushing and riding around, which you're not even.
No.
No. We did do a video with Chloe teaching her how to push, and then another one teaching you how to ollie.
Yep.
If you guys like this series and you want us to teach Chloe more tricks, let us know. Leave it in the comments below. Give us your full like rundown of what you think about this.
It looks terrifying. Like with the board, like I can just stand here and be fine.
Give me the full breakdown. How far is this?
Like 100 feet.
This is 3 feet, 3 feet high.
3 feet, okay.
Yes, I think the first thing you should do is not start out here. I just want to make that clear. Please do not start out dropping in. We did teach Chloe how to ride around, push, and one day I did see her ride down the ramp over there. I think you should start out with that.
Okay.
Because that was what, like 7, 8 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, back when you were 9 years old. Okay, let's roll this.
You're just gonna make fun of me the whole time.
Bend your knees a lot. Bend your knees. Don't stand straight up like that.
Okay.
Have you ever seen Lance skateboard?
No.
Yeah, you have.
A little bit.
He goes like this. Perfect example of what not to do. You want to like loosen up, relax.
Okay.
When you're going down this, you want to like, and I would push from back there, then you have more time to set up.
Do you think I'm not gonna make it?
You are gonna need to lean forward, because if you're not, you will fly back. Let's just go on faith here, just give it a go.
Okay. Okay, no.
Oh yeah. One thing I have to point out, if your feet are like this, how much balance do you have?
0.
If your feet are like this, you have more, right?
Yeah.
That's why I want you to start back here. You have some time to set up.
Okay. Okay.
Well played. That was good, right? This is the whole hashtag better than Lance.
I just need to get a skateboard and then practice, and then I'll be better than him. Give me 1 month.
Okay, that's the challenge. You heard it. She said, give me a skateboard and I'll be better than Lance in 1 month. I don't know if you guys have seen the pictures of Lance on Instagram. He did hard flip off of the Eiffel Tower.
So should I do it again?
Whatever you want.
Okay.
The first part of practicing this would just be like this, on flat. And it's dropping your front shoulder. Yeah, like if you lift your back arm up, it's gonna make sure you drop your front shoulder. She's like, you lean forward, you drop your front shoulder and lean forward, and you wanna make sure, you wanna push down hard with this knee, this foot. Try that. Yeah, good.
Okay.
I mean, you did ollie, so you're comfortable with this stuff. Oh, she could fully drop in. Yeah. No, you just do that right here. I mean, you could even start lower. You could even start like here if you want. See if you can stand like that first, and then just go.
Should we just do setting up a skateboard?
Okay, just stand on one foot. Exceptional balance, the hashtag. Okay, now put that foot there and push down hard and lean forward, all at once.
It's honestly so scary.
I know. Try being Lance for a day.
Can I hold on to someone? Or is that not gonna?
I'll help you. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Try to stay leaning more forward, okay?
Okay.
Don't let your body go backwards at all.
Honestly, that's how we're gonna teach you to drop in.
Yeah.
We're just gonna hold on to you, so no matter what happens,
That actually does help sometimes.
it really helps.
It's a confidence builder.
That's how
just
I
have
learned.
somebody there.
Yeah,
Aaron was there to hold me.
yeah, I had to hold Lance.
Here, okay, count to 3 and just literally, your only goal is to lean forward. Just keep this arm up, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. There you go. See? That's perfect.
How was that?
That was better.
Yeah?
I mean, it helps having someone to hold on to.
I know, I think I know the feeling.
Try it again until it gets more comfortable.
Okay.
Make sure to keep this arm up higher. Bend your knees. Now try to throw your head first, okay?
Okay.
Cover the screws.
Okay.
1, head first. 2, 3. That's it. You're
Okay.
doing the exact same thing as before. Nothing's changing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Boom.
No help whatsoever?
You're gonna do it alone?
That's where your head has to go first, okay?
I caught myself. I didn't die yet.
It didn't die yet.
I know. Why'd you say yet?
Okay.
Better to leave your feet on. This is what I had to go over with Lance over and over and over and over and over. Because what was really scary on that is the board was like this, and you were like, because one wrong step, if you're gonna be better than Lance, you gotta just leave
Go
the
fast
feet
and
on.
commit.
Just go fast and commit.
Better than Lance. Better than Lance. It's that I get scared at the last minute.
Don't be scared. Like you're manualing down the bank. See that? Just a bit. Dude, like if you were to do that on the mini ramp,
Yeah,
you
I would die.
will die.
Is that one higher?
Well, here's the thing. Like this is a flat bank, right?
Yeah.
So the amount of distance that your board is dropping from here to there is less because it's a flat bank.
Right.
Yeah. So even though this is physically higher, the curve makes it definitely more difficult and scary and hard. So if you're ready for that, good. If you're not, I understand.
Okay. For some reason, this is scarier. Is this is higher?
Yeah.
This is higher?
Yeah, but you got everything you need. Just do
Everything,
the
same thing.
Confirmed higher, yes.
When you're up there, this one's
Okay.
now when you're at 2, just fall in. Simply just catch yourself. Ready?
Okay.
1, start going in 2, 3.
Oh.
Drop in on that by yourself. Hustle back here, and I'll help you. Okay?
Okay. I haven't fallen yet.
1, 2, 3.
It's just because I said I didn't fall. I jinxed it.
It's usually what
My
happens.
first fall.
Are you okay?
Does that hurt?
No.
Okay.
So that's
I'm
not
a
that.
woman.
Let's just see what went wrong here.
I just
I
I don't
say
think
you
I'm
put your-
hitting my
Say
foot
you
hard
put your arm
enough.
down.
You did, it was down.
Don't put your arm down.
You're
See,
going good, and then you kind of like went
you let your
back.
arm go down.
Oh.
That was like the worst thing that's gonna happen though.
Okay, fine.
Brutal.
Can we just take that out? Let's edit that out, and then don't have that in there either.
We'll see.
So you saw your arm going down. All that makes it do is makes your body shift backwards and that. will
Okay,
happen.
okay,
We
okay.
call it the splat. So keep this arm up the entire time. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. When you do an actual drop in, the emphasizing on the 2 count. Remember how you gotta really fall in? You really gotta like let yourself go in. So it's like 1, and it's gonna feel like your heart's gonna drop. And you just catch yourself.
Okay.
But it's exciting. That's the beauty of it.
You want to do this one by yourself?
Should I?
Yeah, putting her in
You don't have to.
I'm feeling a little bit terrified of how far high it is.
This is where your shoulders gotta be. Match it. Put your arm up. There you go.
I mean, I do think you can do it. It's all here, though.
Yeah.
100%. You're either gonna go for it and do it, or you're gonna half go for it, and then bad things occur. Here, just do this, and then just run up there and do that.
That exact same thing.
Okay.
All right.
Told you. You got it.
We're now in what is called a miniature ramp, the mini ramp, as opposed to a gigantic ramp. This one's smaller. And the way to start out on this is pushing on the middle and just getting used to how it feels. So you're just gonna go.
Okay.
One thing I wanna point out is your knees are bent a lot, and then when you go down, you can kind of push out. You wanna get used to being able to like bend and extend your knees. The other thing, like watch my upper body. See how it goes like that?
Yeah.
You gotta do that. So make sure you're leaning. Start out slow, start out slow.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna push you up. Now remember when you go up, which way do you need to lean?
That way.
Right, that way, and then this way, which way do you need to lean?
That way.
Yeah, you're like a giant like pendulum swinging clock at this point. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Lean?
Oh wait, I did it the wrong way.
Yeah. Lean?
Lean.
Okay, that's better. Now watch, lean back. See how it feels like you got it? Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I mean, this is like the third time I've been on a skateboard. It's like a little bit.
It's true. Give it a push and go up. Good. This is, I think, the way that I could describe it that would make you understand. You know when you're on a swing and you have your legs up, how do you go faster on a swing? Push them forward. Like you're like, push your legs and it goes faster. It's this exact same. You're bending and then you push your legs down. So you ready? Watch. It's that basic motion of bend and extend, bend and extend. Lance has dropped in on both the big and the small. Hashtag better than Lance, 1 month.
I just need to practice. I just need to practice.
Yeah, give it a push as much speed as you can and go up and lean back.
There you go.
There you go. There you go.
It's just a mental thing.
Totally mental, I know.
I can feel what I'm supposed to do, but I like can't mentally do it.
So your body's like that when you're here, because what you're doing is like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not seeing this happening today. So am I putting my legs right?
Bend your knees more. Yeah, put your back foot on the tail. Does that feel comfortable? Nice.
I mean, here's what I'm thinking, because the tail, if my foot is on the tail, I feel like I'm just gonna go into like a little manual thing.
I know, because your upper body. This is all about your upper body.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Good. Good. See that? You would practice that for a good long time.
Yeah.
You see how if you just did that, go to the skate park, go wherever there is a ramp, or if you have your own ramp, go ahead and go up there and I'll hold on to you and you can drop in. One thing I do want to point out to you guys is if you're not ready for this, don't do it. So we're not like, oh, Chloe, hey, we have to make this video, you have to do this. If she doesn't want to drop in, I'm just going to be like, okay, skate more, practice more. And I want you guys to have that same concept, that same viewpoint. Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7 will cover that. It does cover the idea and all those steps that we did, it does go over that. But with that being said, you can 100% drop in on this today. I know you can. So remember everything you learned over there?
Yeah.
You gotta like really go.
Yeah.
Can you do the exact same thing as you did over there?
Mentally, can I do it? I don't know.
Right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, remember what you were gonna do with your upper shoulder? Drop it.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
No? Oh man, hold on, let's just think about this. Carlos, how do you do this?
Grab, raise, start going in, 2. Yeah. Stop there.
It's a manual.
1, start going in, 2.
So if you want to learn how to drop in, you just get 2 pros to hold you while you're dropping.
Oh really? You want to do it like maybe 3 or 4 more times, just so you get a taste of it. 1, 2. You got that feeling, you just keep repeating that over and over again until it gets comfortable. Start going in, 2.
Go.
I killed it.
You gotta throw your head first and slam hard. If you don't trust yourself, putting your front foot down, you're basically gonna lean back and automatically fall backwards every single time. So if you're gonna do it, you gotta put your head first, trust it, and then just stomp down as hard as you can. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Honestly, if we weren't there and you didn't have any consideration about it, you would do it.
Yeah.
You see that?
I could see that.
But if you're not ready for that today, listen, I understand.
I mean, I think that if I were to be here for the rest of the day, totally do it
Yeah.
by the end of the day.
1, 2, 3.
Scary?
Yes, totally.
I understand.
Ready? 1, 2, start going.
Booyah!
Okay.
I mean, how did that feel?
That felt the best. That was the best one.
Very, very well done. You dropped in with only the help of 2 skateboarders. Before today, you didn't drop in with 0 people.
Yep.
Well, you did do good. You dropped in all by yourself on the bank ramp, the steeper bank ramp and the less steep bank ramp, and you got your first taste of a mini ramp, and you did the first steps of what will soon be a drop-in.
Yes.
Very well done. You crushed it, you killed it. Here's what I want to know, or maybe what I want the people on the other side of that screen to know, is what did you learn that you feel like helped you, confidence or physically? What do you feel like helped you?
Well, just the main thing that I learned was how important it is to like fully lean forward and commit, because if you don't, there's no way that you can do it. And
Yeah.
if you get nervous at the last minute, then
Not good.
not good.
Yeah. When Skateboarding Made Simple comes out on Saturday, it will be available as a digital download in the shop, which is at brailleskateboarding.com/shop. So go ahead and get the video when it comes out on Saturday, digital download. You can get it straight to your computer, learn to skate mini ramps. We're excited about it. So why don't you take us out here?
Take us out
Yes.
to breakfast.
2018 is the year for you guys to learn to skate.
Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.
Wow. You would imagine that we didn't rehearse that at all. Well played. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.